Planning your Milan adventure but not sure where to kick things off? No worries, we've got your back. In this guide, we're laying out the coolest things to do in this stylish city. From the iconic Duomo di Milano to embarking on thrilling day trips, we're here to give you the lowdown. And hey, just a heads up, our list is in no particular order. Before we dive in, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe for more awesome travel insights. And for all you wanderlusters out there looking to explore the best tourist spots around the world, check out the link in the description. There, you can book your dream tours and uncover more exciting options. Number 1. Visit Galleria Vittorio Emanuela II. It's an open-air shopping haven that's a true masterpiece. Imagine a fancy mall with a glass roof that reaches as high as a skyscraper. It's like a dreamy shopping street under the sky. This place is filled with posh stores, fancy restaurants, and cafes that might make your wallet a bit lighter. They built this place in the 1800s, and it's so fancy that it looks like something from the Renaissance era, all decorated with fancy stuff that matches the high-end brands inside. Speaking of brands, you find big names like Dior, Prada, and Gucci here. Even though some things might cost more than a spaceship, just walking around and seeing how over-the-top everything is worth it. You can come here anytime. It's open all day and night. But sunset is a super cool time because the sky's all pink and the shops light up like a fairy tale. Number 2. Climb Duomo di Milano's rooftop. Ever seen a gigantic church that's like a castle from a fairy tale? That's the Duomo di Milano. This huge Gothic cathedral has been standing here for over 600 years. Can you believe it? And it's Italy's biggest church. You can't miss the crazy tall towers and the zillion statues on the roof. They're like a real-life Lego set. Inside, there's even more cool stuff, like a sculpture of Jesus' Last Supper by Leonardo da Vinci. The inside looks all dark and mysterious in a Gothic way, which makes it even cooler. But the best part? Climbing to the tippy top. You gotta do it. But hey, they only let a few folks up there each day. So, I highly recommend you book your tour by clicking the link in the description box. Number 3. Learn more about Milan in Palazzo Reale di Milano. Not far from the Duomo, there's this old place called Palazzo Reale di Milano. It used to be the home of super important folks like the Visconti and Sforza families. It's been around since the 1300s, so you know it's seen a lot. This place has got an amazing front, a grand entrance, and a courtyard that looks like it's out of a storybook. Inside, it's a feast for your eyes with fancy paintings and sculptures from back in the day. And the rooms where these important folks lived? Crazy beautiful. They're like something from a historical movie. Number 4. Check out Piesa di Santa Maria, Preso San Satiro. Right in the heart of Milan, there's this fancy schmancy church called Piesa di Santa Maria, Preso San Satiro. It's from the 1500s and looks like a masterpiece of super cool design. But the craziest thing? The inside tricks your eyes. The guy who built it, Donato Bramante, made the back part look way bigger than it actually is. It's like a 3D painting in real life. When you step inside, your brain's like, whoa, how's this even possible? It's like a magic trick in a church. Number 5. Go to Sportsesco Castle. If you head north from the busy city center, you'll stumble upon a jaw-dropping castle, the Sportsesco Castle. This thing's been standing since the 1500s and was like a fortress for the Sforza family, the big shots of Milan back in the day. There are courtyards and towers and all sorts of cool stuff inside, like museums and art places. But honestly, the best part? Chilling in the castle's garden. It's like a quiet, peaceful park in the middle of all the city chaos. Quick pit stop, friends. If you're enjoying the adventure so far, show us some support by liking this video and hitting that subscribe button. It keeps the excitement going, and you won't miss any of our upcoming travels. Okay, let's jump back into our exploration. Number 6. Relax in Arco della Pache. While you're checking out Sportsesco Castle, don't forget to stroll over to Arco della Pache through a fancy park called Sempione. This arch is like Milan's version of the big Arc de Triomphe in Paris. It's a big, grand thing made to remember when Napoleon's armies won battles and stuff. The arch is super fancy with all these sculptures that tell stories. And it's made of bright white marble. People hang out around here in the evenings, so it's a nice place to relax after a day of exploring. Number 7. Drop by Santa Maria del Carmina Church. Milan's heritage shines through its remarkable architecture, and the Santa Maria del Carmina Church is a prime example. Imagine standing before a structure that dates back to the 1300s, a time when history was being written in every brick and corner. The church's exterior, with its distinctive red bricks, offers a unique contrast to the city's modern landscape. But step inside, and you're greeted with a burst of colors that tell stories of the past. The walls of Santa Maria del Carmina Church are adorned with captivating paintings that bring history to life. As you gaze at these masterpieces, you're not just looking at paint on canvas, you're peering into moments from Milan's past, preserved for generations to come. Each stroke of the brush is a testament to the artistic talents of a bygone era and the enduring spirit of creativity. Number 8. Check out the art at Pinakoteca De Brena. This treasure trove of artistic expression is more than just a collection of paintings. It's a journey through the ages, a testament to human creativity and vision. Nestled within the walls of a grand palace, the gallery's entrance is graced by a statue of Napoleon, an emblem of its historical significance. Inside, you'll discover an array of masterpieces by legendary artists like Raphael and Caravaggio. These works, painted centuries ago, continue to captivate hearts and minds, transporting you to eras long gone. The library within the gallery feels like a secret sanctuary, a haven for the curious and the seekers of knowledge. As you wander through the halls, you're surrounded by the whispers of the past, by stories that unfold on canvas, and bygone worlds that come to life through brushstrokes. Number 9. See The Last Supper with your own eyes. This artwork is like a ticket to the past, made over 500 years ago. It shows Jesus and his buddies right before something big happened. But what's really amazing is how it was created, on wet plaster, making it an old-school 3D masterpiece. Because it's super old and needs special care, you have to plan ahead to see it. But trust me, it's a sight you'll never forget. Number 10. Step into Basilica di Sant'Ambrogio. Travel back to the 4th century with Basilica di Sant'Ambrogio, a place that stood the test of time. It's like a living museum, with towers, bricks, and a courtyard straight out of history. Inside, a rainbow of colors in the form of mosaics greets you. There's even a fancy box where they kept an important saint. And don't miss the ceiling. It's a storybook of colors and art. This basilica is a true time machine to ancient Milan. And there you have it, Milan's hidden gems unveiled. If you've enjoyed this journey, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more exciting travels. If you're ready to explore the world's most beautiful spots, check out the link below for tickets and more information. Now, we want to know, which spot on our Milan adventure would you love to experience firsthand? Comment below and let's keep the conversation going. Thanks for joining us. Until next time, keep exploring and sharing the magic of the world with us. Ciao for now.